Hello, fellow parents and caregivers. As summer approaches, we all want our kids to have a fantastic time while staying active, healthy, and happy. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you 10 awesome tips and ideas to keep your kids engaged and energized throughout the summer holidays. So, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Backyard Olympics. Organize a mini Olympics in your backyard with various fun and friendly competitions. Set up games like sack races, water balloon toss, three-legged races, or an obstacle course. This will keep them active and encourage friendly competition. Tip 2. Nature Scavenger Hunt. Plan a nature scavenger hunt where kids can explore the outdoors and discover hidden treasures. Create a checklist of items like different leaves, rocks, insects, or animal tracks. It's a great way to connect with nature and learn about the environment. Tip 3. Splash into water fun. Beat the summer heat by engaging in water activities. Set up a sprinkler, have a water balloon fight, or create a DIY slip and slide in your backyard. Water activities are not only refreshing but also provide great exercise. Tip 4. Creative cooking. Get your little ones involved in the kitchen. Encourage them to assist in preparing simple and healthy meals or snacks. This not only boosts their culinary skills, but also teaches them about nutrition and encourages them to try new foods. Tip 5. Family bike adventures. Plan family bike rides or cycling adventures. Explore local trails, parks, or scenic routes together. Biking is a fantastic way to keep the whole family active, enjoy the outdoors, and create lasting memories. Tip 6. Arts and crafts extravaganza. Encourage creativity with arts and crafts projects. Set up a dedicated craft station with supplies for painting, drawing, or making DIY crafts. This helps stimulate their imagination and keeps them engaged for hours. Tip 7. Family fitness challenges. Create fun fitness challenges that the whole family can participate in. Set goals like completing a certain number of jumping jacks, push-ups, or yoga poses together. Make it enjoyable with rewards or friendly competitions. Tip 8. Library adventures. Visit your local library and discover the world of books. Encourage your kids to pick out books they are interested in and spend quality time reading together. Reading stimulates their minds, enhances vocabulary, and fuels their imagination. Tip 9. Outdoor movie nights. Transform your backyard into a cozy outdoor cinema. Hang a white sheet, set up blankets or lawn chairs, and enjoy movies under the stars. Don't forget the popcorn and snacks for a complete movie night experience. Tip 10. Community volunteering. Engage your children in community service projects. Participate in beach cleanups, charity events, or volunteer at local organizations. This teaches them empathy, kindness, and the value of giving back to their community. So there you have it, 10 amazing ideas to keep your kids active, healthy, and happy throughout the summer holidays. Remember, the key is to make these activities enjoyable for the whole family. I hope these tips inspire you to create wonderful memories and have a fantastic summer together. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found these ideas helpful, and share your own suggestions or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.